If you want stronger legs, better balance, and easier walking, don't stop now. Most seniors quit before day 29, but today is exactly where progress quietly begins. Hello, and welcome to Senior Over 60 Fitness. If you are new, this is a daily, repeatable routine. Which country are you watching from today? Grab a strong chair, flat surface, and comfortable shoes. Go slow, rest, or just watch if needed. Exercise one chair, sit to stand. Place a stable chair against a wall so it cannot slide. Stand close with feet hip-width apart and toes facing forward. Lower yourself slowly until you touch the chair, then press through your heels and stand tall. Move with control and breathe naturally throughout the movement. We begin together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Most people stop here, but you continue. 5, 6. This is where leg strength is built. 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay steady and proud. 11, 12, 13, 14. This is where progress happens. 15, 16, 17, 18. Do your legs feel burning or stiff? 19, 20. Stay with me. 21, 22, 23, 24. Skipping this is why results do not last. 25, 26, 27, 28. Almost finished. 29, 30. Well done. You are building strength and independence today, together safely. Exercise 2. Seated leg extensions. Sit tall on your chair with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Extend one leg forward slowly, then lower it down with control. Switch legs after each repetition and keep breathing calm. We begin together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay smooth and relaxed. 5, 6. Skipping. This is why knees feel stiff later. 7, 8, 9, 10. You are improving circulation now. 11, 12, 13, 14. Stay with me even if tired. 15, 16, 17, 18. Notice the difference building strength. 19, 20. Keep control steady. 21, 22, 23, 24. Almost there. 25, 26, 27, 28. Stay proud. 29, 30. Is your right leg harder than the left today? This awareness helps progress long-term safely, consistently daily with confidence and comfort for seniors everywhere. Keep moving gently and comment your experience below today. Please, exercise 3, standing chair march. Stand behind your chair, holding it lightly for support. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Lift one knee at a time, slowly, and lower it back down. Adjust the height of your knee to your comfort level. This helps improve balance and walking confidence. Let us begin together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Most seniors skip this, and balance is what they lose. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going steadily. 9, 10, 11, 12. Breathe calmly and notice stability. 13, 14, 15, 16. Which country are you exercising from today? 17, 18, 19, 20. Focus on gentle control. 21, 22, 23, 24. Staying with this strengthens your core. 25, 26, 27, 28. Almost done. 29, 30. Send this to a senior friend who needs balance help. Completing this safely today builds confidence, strength, and independence for everyday life. Exercise 4. Heel raises. Stand behind your chair, holding it lightly for support. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Lift your heels slowly off the floor and lower them back down with control. This strengthens your ankles and improves circulation. Let us begin together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is why walking feels lighter later. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep steady and controlled. 9, 10, 11, 12. Focus on gentle movement. 13, 14, 15, 16. Feel your calves working. 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe slowly and calmly. 21, 22, 23, 24, almost there. 25, 26, 27, 28. Keep finishing strong. 29. 30. How are your calves feeling right now? Maintaining this daily builds stability, circulation, and strength. Walking becomes easier and more comfortable over time. Stay consistent, safe, and proud of completing today. Great job staying till the end. Comment "Done Day 29" and share how you feel. Share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends. Day 30 is tomorrow. Do not break the streak.